Guardian RFID supports both RFID wristbands and ID cards. Some facilities have a strong preference for one or the other, but it's entirely up to you. You can also choose to not go with either option, or you can even phase in using some type of identification, wristband, or ID card once you've deployed Guardian RFID. By utilizing RFID wristbands and ID cards, your staff will be able to automate their formal IDs or positive head counts. This means that each individual inmate will be scanned electronically, and you can verify both their identity and their presence. However, if this isn't necessarily important to you, or you're not quite sure if you want to deploy RFID credentials throughout your entire facility, you can still get the same level of data collection and functionality of the Guardian RFID platform by simply using your hard tags and your mobile command through Spartan. If you want to know more about the pros and cons of using inmate wristbands or ID cards, check out this blog. It gives you a detailed look into the benefits and trade-offs of either option, and gives you a little bit of insight into the costs and some best practices. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about us, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our blog. If you're ready to take the next step with the command and control platform and want to speak to a team member, fill out the form by clicking the link below.